off, I would like to congratulate everyone on this momentous occasion. You did it, guys! You did it! Congrats! So I'm very proud of you. I'd just like you to know that I'm so proud of you. Hindi lang kasi natapos nyo yung journey nyo, natapos nyo senior high school, but I would like to congratulate you kasi hindi nyo ako binigyan ng sakit ng ulo. Ang babait nyo! Paminsan-minsan. Well, seriously, sana madala nyo sa susunod ninyong journey ang mga bagay na hindi lamang yung mga natutunan nyo sa content. Kung hindi, yung mga bagay kagaya ng respeto, integrity, at ang kabutihang loob. At yan ang kailangan ng mundo natin ngayon. Again, congratulations, ABM Yums! Love you!